Welcome to your Nutrition Advocacy poster project. What this project is you will create a poster that can be hung in the school cafeteria that would attract the eyes of your peers, make them want to read your powerful bits of information and advocate and promote a nutrition change or habit. And if you look at this, this page right here is your rubric. This is how you're going to be graded. There's three categories: your statistics and facts, your poster is attractive to the audience, and advocacy. And notice for 100% for an A, it contains more than 2 facts on the statistic, and it helps support the message. The poster is attractive. It's attractive to the audience, and I'm going to show you some examples again later in this video. And the last one is an advocacy piece. And the advocacy piece is you support a topic or a message and a slogan. Now, your message and slogan doesn't have to rhyme. It needs to be catchy, but it doesn't have to rhyme. It doesn't have to have a jingle to it. It could just be a clear stated message or a statement of some kind. For those of you that like more written out directions and don't want to read the rubric for it, here are some information. It's recommended more than 2 facts or statistics that support your slogan or message. There needs to be pictures on there. There needs to be footnotes on there. There needs to be your name in really small sizes and attractive to the design. And there needs to be a clever message or slogan. And remember, it doesn't have to rhyme, even though it says, but it could rhyme. And your goal is to advocate for something that teenagers would want to read about. What change in nutrition of some kind do teenagers want to know about? What I would recommend for you to do today is I would recommend that you work on the bottom part of this. And this document is held in your nutrition, or is in your assignment folder. So all this information is in your assignment folder already. What you have to do today is you should work on this part of the very bottom of it. It says, what do you hope to promote? What is your topic? Is your topic diet and athletics? Is your topic energy drinks of some kind? Is your topic, and if you notice on my board on either side, there are some topics that students yesterday wrote about. And maybe you choose one of those, or maybe on the back of your note card from the other day, you choose one of those topics that you started to begin about. And I don't care what your topic does, just make sure that it's something that a teenager would want to read about. And what your ultimate goal is to get your poster hung in the lunchroom. And so you want to make these good, make them creative. Then you can work through this, and this is just a place for the information to go so it can all be in one spot. Yes, you do have to cite your sources. I would recommend using EasyBib, and I will help you with that in class later down in the project. When you're creating this, you can use any type of site that you want to use. You could use Google Drawing, you could use Google Presentation, you could use PowerPoint, you could use a web-based program. If there's something out there that you know how to use on the web that you want to make it. The biggest thing is that we want to make sure that you make your poster size 11 by 17. And how you do that, a couple ways that you do that. For example, if I was going to create a, let's say a Google Drawing, and I pull this document up right here, I have to go to File, Page Setup, and where it says Standard right here, I need to change it to Custom, and I need to change it to 11 by 17. And that's going to make it an up and down long. Now, let's say I want it to go wide. I want a wide poster instead of an up and down poster. Instead of 11 by 17, you go 17 by 11 and hit OK. And then it's going to make it wide. Okay? But today, your main goal should be to get on and choose what your topic is. If I go in later today, I should be able to see what your topic is. You should probably have your slogan already or your message, and start finding some statistics and facts. And there's not one place you can go to. You can Google it, trying to make sure it's a credible site when you're going through it. So this is your goal today. This is your assignment today. If some of you get done with this or want to begin working on the poster, you can. But I need to see this done for today. If there's any questions, please ask. If not, I hope that you enjoy this project. Thank you. I'm also going to show you real quick. I'm going to show you some examples. So if some of you forgot, okay, this would be an example of a poster. There's different font sizes. There's different pictures. There's different text boxes. It all relates to each other. Okay, if you remember this example, there's a lot of writing on it. Okay, this example, make sure your facts and stats relate to each other. This was a good one. Maybe we format a little bit better to make it a little more easier to read. And then I added one more because I thought this was a really, really good one. Okay, it's very eye-catching. There are a lot of words, but I would stop and read this because it catches my eye right away. Okay, And I can tell you this one was created in just normal PowerPoint. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. If not, I hope you enjoy this and use these as examples, and be creative when you're making these.